Ready to wrangle all your emails into one tidy spot on your iPhone? Let's dive in. First things first, let's get into your settings app. Scroll down a bit and give apps a tap. You're almost there. Now scroll a little further and you'll see mail. Go ahead and select that. Next, tap on mail accounts. Then add account. Here's where you choose what kind of email you're adding. The steps might vary a tiny bit depending on your choice, but don't worry, we'll walk you through it. For this example, we're going with Gmail, so tap on Google. Now it's time to enter your email address. Once that's in, hit done, then next. Then you have to enter your password, and then you may have to do a two-step verification. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Go back. Tap continue. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of apps. Pick the ones you want to sync with your Google account, then tap save to finalize everything. Continue at the bottom. And just like that, you're done. Tired of the generic iPhone ringtone? You can easily create custom ringtones. Check out this video for the full guide.